y'all can hear me, I need you to go into the chat right now and say, I need a YERRRRRRR. I need you to.
Thanks for tuning in. We love you. We appreciate you. Stay safe. Just a feel-good vibe. I feel amazing. What about you? Let us know how you feel out there in the chat right now. Let us know how you feel it. Shout out to everybody tuned in. Make sure you're safe at home with your family. We appreciate you staying tuned in. FIU, DJ Zeke, Trill or Not Trill. Shout out to all my administrators on the check-in. Let's get it. I want it to feel good in your spirit. Feel good music.
So you're a freshman, and you know what? It's exciting for some of you. Some of you may not be a freshman. It's really exciting to go into this new school year. Remember, it's not just about you. It's about collective success.
One of the things that's so essential also is making sure that we're taking care of ourselves, right? Wellness is also so important during times like this. Health and wellness, mental health and wellness, physical wellness, all of those things are all important during times like this. We give a quick round of applause shout out to our DJ Zeke.